This is great. So my neighbor left his truck on the side of the road last night, which you're not supposed to. They tell you to keep the trucks and stuff off the street. So instead of shoveling it out and putting it on his lawn or on the sidewalk, he's coming over and dumping all the rest of his crap snow on the opposite side of the street. This is literally the type of stuff you cannot make up.
Look at this on my windowsill. Oh my God. I'll put it in the sink. Wow. Oh, that's ridiculous. I hope he's putting it up on the thing. Oh, he is.
If you enjoyed the video, please take the time to like and subscribe.